Hi guys, I'm Lauren. I'm in the MST program. So for career expectations, I guess mine are to become an English teacher. I want to teach adolescents. And I think that's why this is a super important class for me to take because we've been talking about young adult literature the entire fall semester. And I feel like there's some gaps in my young adult knowledge because I've never really experienced graphic novels before. So when it comes to this course, I think that's the thing that I'm the most excited to kind of dip my toes into. I know that it really does have a huge draw for young adults and teenagers because the young girls that I nannied were obsessed with them. They would never put them down. So that'll be good for me to experience that a bit. I guess other than that, a fun fact. I'm trying to think of a fun fact that everyone in my cohort doesn't already know about me. I am an avid knitter, so I like to knit a lot. That's a fun fact about me. I'm really excited, you guys. This will be fun.